पधारो ने म्हारे देश.
The greeting song of Padharo Mare Desh mean come to visit my country. Brightness of the face of every tourist to Rajasthan. Here is the town lies in the heart of the Thar desert, the golden city Jaisalmer. Jaisalmer is one of the most elegant and gorgeous city of Rajasthan. The boast of its historical pride, heritage and royal triumph, titled after Maharaj Jaisal Singh. This dazzling city is located amid Thar desert and rich culture and traditions are truly inspiring. Land of wonders, culture, nature and surrounding and rich heritage. One of the most popular tourist destinations that provide unique experience to traveler. Every corner of the city has something amaze traveler. How to reach Jaisalmer? There is no direct flight to Jaisalmer. You can take a flight from any Indian major city to Jodhpur. Jodhpur Airport is nearest airport located 286 km away from Jaisalmer. You can take a taxi or bus from Jaisalmer. Jaisalmer Railway connected to major cities Delhi, Jaipur, Kolkata, Chennai and Mumbai. Best time to go Jaisalmer. Winter is really good time to visit if you want to avoid the scorching heat of the desert. Winter are cool and breezy while the summer are dry and hot. Plan your trip early to save money on accommodation. You might pack a heavy jacket with you for the chilly nights. Place to visit: Jaisalmer Fort. Overlooking the city from the top of the Trikuta Hill is the expensive Jaisalmer Fort. The fort offers stunning views of the Golden City, as most of the houses and buildings are made up of yellow sandstone. This monochromatic effect creative magics and charismas. Interesting things to see in Jaisalmer Fort include Tazia Tower, Raj Mahal, Jain Temple, Lakshmikant Temple and Jawara Palace. The museum showcasing arms, dresses, utensils and ornaments of the Rajput kingdom is absolutely fascinating. Also should see the splendid carving beautiful design of the fort entrance gate, Ganesh Pole, Rank Pole, Bhuta Pole and Hawa Pole. The narrow bustling lanes lined with classical looking houses, arches, balconies and ornate windows are outstanding. Explore the quaint cafes and eateries and try something spontaneous local cuisines and check out innumerable shops. Gadisar Lake was constructed by Raja Raval Jaisal and later reconstructed by Maharaj Garsi Singh. It is said this rainwater lake once provided water to the entire town. At present, lake gets water from Indira Gandhi Canal, located towards the south of Jaisalmer city. The entrance to lake through a magnificent carved yellow sandstone archway that is known as the Lawn Ki Pole. At the ghat, you will find many temples, especially the Shiv temple and Krishna temple. There is a big domed pavilion in the center of the lake. The main attraction of the lake are different species of birds which migrate from distinct places. You come here to enjoy a boat ride, feed fish, architectural work on ghat, plan trip during sunrise and sunset. The North Mata Temple. This is the most popular temple in the state of Rajasthan, and the one thing that makes the temple very popular are the location of the temple that near the border of India and Pakistan. This heritage site is the major attraction for tourists who visit the Thar desert in Rajasthan. There are many movie shots, later shown as the Hindi movie. Longewala War Memorial. This one of a kind of tourist spot, beautiful setup by Indian Army. museum is for the heroic act of sacrifices by the Indian soldiers during Indo-Pak War in 1965 and the Longewala battle in 1971. You can find a large collection of war trophies and various other army weapons. Also has two information display hall named as Longewala Hall and Indian Army Hall, along with an audiovisual room that features movie screening about battle. Sand is a safari. A lot of sunshine and never-ending slick stretch of sand is what makes the desert of Jaisalmer an ideal spot for travel enthusiasts. And what better way to enjoy the beauty than desert safari in Jaisalmer, the Golden City. Two types of safari in Jaisalmer. First one is the camel safari. Sit on the back of camel holding on its hump and it take you on a bumpy ride across the Thor. Soon after the ride, be prepared to behold on the most beautiful sunset behind the dunes. Out of the most popular activity after the camel safari, the next one is the jeep safari. Take you across the unexplored beauty of the Thar desert with much comfort. After sunset, head to the camp in the evening and get a grand traditional welcome with aarti tikka and dhols. Enjoy the welcome drink along with folk dance and music at your prefer. Vyas Chatri Sunset Point. Vyas Chatri is a traditional and authentic Rajasthan sandstone type of architecture. It is a burial ground from Brahmins and is dedicated to Sage Vyas, the poet of Mahabharata. From here, you get view from Golden Fort and sunset. Accommodation. The Golden City of Rajasthan begins to surprise its guests the moment they step in. But what you captivate in your heart, the most gorgeous Jaisalmer resort that look up to you like royalty and pamper you like a prince when you stay. This accommodation offering comfortable, spacious room that you make to revisit. Traditional food. This culture-rich city is also rich in incredible food and cuisines offering to visitors. Some of the captivating savor food like प्याज की कचौरी, गट्टे की सब्जी, मखनाई लस्सी, दाल बाटी चूरमा, केर सागरी, भांग लस्सी, मिर्ची भजिया, केसरिया ठंडाई, राजस्थानी लाल मांस, all are watering your mouth. If you are shopaholic, then don't miss to go Manik Chowk, Sadar Bazaar and Bhatia Bazaar. If you like this beauty of desert, then hit the like button and share this with any person whom you want to travel. Subscribe Travel Trek to keep updating your trip to wonder. Thank you.